Welcome back to the Luxury Cars Reviews. The Saab JAS 39E/F Gripen, often referred to as Gripen NG or Gripen 39, is the latest evolution of Sweden's advanced multi-role fighter, with the JAS 39E being the single-seat variant and the JAS 39F the two-seater. While Saab JAS 39 Gripen appears to be a misspelling, I'll provide a detailed breakdown of the JAS 39E/F Gripen's exterior design, incorporating known specifications and upgrades over the older JAS 39C/D. Aerodynamic structural design: fuselage airframe elongated fuselage. The Gripen E/F is longer than the Gripen C/D, accommodating more fuel and avionics. Increased wingspan for better lift and payload capacity. Composite materials: carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, and titanium alloys reduce weight while improving durability. Stealth enhancements: reduced radar cross-section, RCS, sawtooth edges on access panels to deflect radar waves. Radar absorbent material, RAM, coatings on critical surfaces. Internal weapons bays, optional for certain configurations. Wing control surface is Delta Canard configuration. Delta wing, low drag, high maneuverability, plus canards, improved agility at high angles of attack. Leading edge extensions, Lex, for enhanced lift during tight turns. New hardpoints, 10 hardpoints, versus 8 in Gripen C/D, supporting Meteor RAM. Beyond visual range missile, IRIS-T or AIM-9X short-range missiles. GBU 1249 laser-guided bombs. Nose avionics: ACER radar, ESO-5 Raven, GAN, gallium nitride based for superior detection range. 200 plus km. Electronic warfare, and jamming capabilities integrated. IRST, infrared search track, skyward GIRST system, passive detection, no radar emissions. Cockpit design: wide area display, WAD, touch screen, similar to F-35. Helmet mounted display, HMD, for off-bore sight targeting. Engine propulsion: General Electric F414G engine, 22,000 lbf thrust, versus 18,100 lbf in Gripen C/D's RM12. Supercruise capability: sustained supersonic flight without afterburner. Revised air intakes: diverterless supersonic inlet, DSI, for smooth air airflow and reduced radar signature. Exterior features: coatings, camouflage paint scheme, standard grey digital camouflage, Swedish Air Force. Low visibility insignia for reduced detection. Anti-corrosion treatment, advanced epoxy coatings for maritime operations, used by Brazilian Gripen F. Current operators: Sweden, Brazil, Czech Republic, Hungary. Potential buyers: India, Undamka 2.0, Philippines, Croatia. Future upgrades: AI-assisted dogfighting algorithms. Loyal wingman drone integration, for example, with Saab's AirXSU drones. Conclusion: the JAS 39E/F Gripen is a 4.5 plus gen fighter with 5th gen avionics, balancing cost, agility, and network-centric warfare capabilities. While not as stealthy as the F-35, its ACER radar, supercruise, and electronic warfare make it a formidable opponent. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.